Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic. Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Today is October 24, 2020, and it's the 6th God birthday. You know, me attack Champion Papi Drake. You see me, I said the world greatest rapper. You know, I'm a big Drake fan, so that's why I'm a son, so alright? You see me? But people, I want to tell you, you know what I mean, the ladies, them, you know, our female artist, Jamaican female artist, them send him some shout out, and Shenseea and Jada Kingdom more specifically, right? You know, say Squid them I go big him up because you know the link between the Unruly and OVO, right? The Unruly OVO, and you know him just big up Squid in our song. You see me, I say Squid tell me go and fix things. You know that's my sister. You know the song, man. So anyway, this is what Shenseea said. So Shenseea said, happy birthday to the greatest Champion Papi. Now watch no face, continue being the best version of you. And she post this video with she and Drake. We're not sure which part them did there, but we see that video here before and we see a couple pictures with she and Drake. And then Jada say, happy birthday my G at Champion Papi, right? But the next thing I want to show you going over Jada page now. Jada post and say, you know what I mean, new music video I gonna come with she and Verse Simmons. The Bedroom Bully music video I got drop, and then somebody comment and say, oh my God, Jada is still with that guy. And Jada comment and I nice and calmly and said, yes, forever and ever, amen. So definitely see Jada a display a different level of maturity, because one time gone me know so this name don't go so. It wouldn't be that simple and easy. Should I tell that person some things about themselves, right? But we see she just take it with a grain of salt, like Granny would have said, you know, and just tell her forever and ever, amen. Also, people so brave though, you know what I mean? Them just probably think Jada never do answer, so then just comment that. But you know, Jada fans them are different, and if you look down on the comment, you can see on the comment thread, you know what I mean? Somebody say real love doesn't fade. Somebody say period. Somebody say make them know damn bright, and then this person say, but all you bright like stadium bulb. So no know say Jada fans are got different our people. So you know what I mean, approach with caution whenever you want to put something in a Jada comment section. You know not go sit too well with her or the fans, right? So the next thing I want to show the people, Spice got a gift and she's very excited. So she made a video and she posted it on her Instagram. So let's take a look at Spice gift. Let's check out what she get. Here goes.
I'm so excited, like it's my birthday. No, watch Grace Hamilton from National, look pan Ado bread. No, this is so awesome. I'm super excited. To my fans, most of you was on my Instagram just the other day. When you want to see me, I drink my tea. I'm telling you, I can't live without my white Ado bread. That bread, yeah, no man, favorite. Then look at this. National took the time out just to send me a package to say thank you. So I'm making this video to say thanks to them because I go down in night, watch Ado bread, watch nuts over here, so then look at ZC, then look at more bread over here, so then got goodie, watch oatmeal. No man, thank you so much, Mr. Henriksen. This is super awesome. You know me, and Nicholas I go down in this. You know the white Ado bread. No, me nah lie, but feel good to see, me glad to see God. Look at this, watch things. No man, thank you guys.
Yes, people have mentioned in the past about Spice, you know what I mean, packing our food and bringing it on tour with our local food, our Jamaican bully beef, our tin mackerel, our tough crackers and them things. So when you know say no matter where Spice going viral, Spice still remember, you know, the yard food and the yard settings. You see me? Always. So this is no different. It's no surprise that she loved the Ado bread. And like when you hear she say she was on her live and you know them see her, I say she loved the Ado bread and them send her some. Right? So this is what she said in the caption. She said, I was on my IG live drinking Milo tea and a slice of national white Ado bread, and somehow Mr. Bush Hendrickson heard about it and sent me a package. Isn't that sweet? Thank you at National Bakery. Big up on yourself. Love my country, Jamaica. Now, people, you know, we know say Jamaica deal with this. Now, I want to ask the other people on the other island. Like, when we say this, I mean we have national, but we don't know if national is a Caribbean wide thing or just Jamaica or what. When you help me out in the comment section and tell me now. So the people let me know some have some Guyanese, you know, I have some people from Belize and all about on the channel. So you tell me, and I mean in the comment section, Trinidad, me know say on a day or two. You see me? Tell me if no in a food country if you no have the nice hardware bread. You see me? I say the national bread. Because you know I say Jamaican love this. You see me? So big up on yourself on that. Welcome to the Dancehall IG channel. Hope everybody is doing good. Before I go no further, I just want to give 2 shout out to 2 of my wonderful subscribers. So the first one is Renisha Wellington, right? So I want to go check out our channel. I'm going to put the link in the first comment. Alright, the next one is Chevy's World. I want to go check out our channel also. You see me, I say link will be provided in the comment section. You know what I mean? Just give the 2 of them a subscribe and you know what I mean, go and watch 2 other videos. So big up Renisha and Chevy. Now people, the story I want to close out with, and I really my topic, I know I mostly cover the female artists them, and you know what I mean, if I like birthday or anniversary or them something, I want to know the thing them I cover, because I want to dip on the channel, right? But I want to talk about Intence a little bit. So Intence post a picture, or a picture was posted on Intence Instagram account with him wearing a full suit of camouflage, which seems to be the Jamaica Defence Force uniform. Now, reason why I say seem to be is because I've never served JDF, so I don't know exactly what the uniform is like. I can't tell you a detail, you know what I mean, like look on it one look and say yes, I hate that, right? But we know the general, you know what I mean, camouflage uniform and how it's set up, right? But anyway, this is what happened. Them tell him to take down the picture and him remove the picture, but he must say it's Photoshop. Now they might investigate where him get the uniform from, you know? And there's a lot of opinions about it. So, you know, if we don't go see the story, the other channels them uploaded, and I'm sure we have no opinions as well. And I just wanted to ask, you know, what you think about it, you know. So far, I see somebody comment and say the law is the law. I may agree the law is the law, but we also know, like, you know what I mean, how dancehall and anything government related go. So, people want to tell me what I think about that. So I just go close out the video and leave it there. So if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. Thank you everybody for watching. Have a wonderful day or night or whatever time it is, wherever you are. Big up on yourself. Stay safe out there. Stay dry. I'm out.
We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yadi.